The state of Karnataka, where a horrifying incident has now taken place in the Hubli region. A college student has been stabbed to death in broad daylight, and this incident is coming from Karnataka's Hubli. The victim has been identified as Neha, who was the daughter of a Congress corporator, Niranjan Hiramath. She was a first-year master's student. The murder has ignited a big political firestorm in the state. The opposition, that is the BJP and the Congress government, are sparring over love jihad charges. The BJP has hit out at the Siddaramaiah-led Congress government, accusing it of playing politics of appeasement at the expense of law and order in the state. The victim's father, Niranjan Hiramath, said that the accused Fayaz was actually known to the family and they had even tried to dissuade him from pursuing Neha. He further stated the motive of the murder is that the victim had actually rejected the accused love proposal.
A brutal murder on campus leaves Karnataka shell-shocked. A 23-year-old Masters of Computer Applications student was stabbed repeatedly by a former classmate at the BVB College in Hubli on Thursday. The victim, Neha Hiramath, is the daughter of a Congress corporator. The accused, Fayaz, is in police custody.
We are taking action as per the due process of law, and by securing him immediately after the incident, and after following the arrest formalities, he is being sent to judicial custody.
Neha's family is calling the murder a case of love jihad.
ಈ ರೀತಿನೂ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅನೇಕ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಇವರು ಕ್ರೂರತನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಈ ಯಂಗ್ಸ್ಟರ್ ಹುಡುಗರು ಈ ಥರ ದಾರಿ ತಪ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ಬೇಕಾಕೈತಿ. ಈಗ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮಗಳನ್ನ ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ದುಃಖ ಐತಿ. ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ಬರ ಬಡ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು ಕೂಡ ಈ ಥರ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದಂತ ನನ್ನ ಬೇಡಿಕೆ. ಈ ಲವ್ ಜಿಹಾದ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ ಭಾಳ ವಿಸ್ತಾರವಾಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನನಗೂ ಅನ್ಸತಿ.
ಕಾಲೇಜ್ನವರ ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಗಾಡಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಸುಸುತ್ತಾವ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಯಾರ. ನಾ ಇನ್ನೂವರೆಗೆ ಆಕಿನ ಮುಖ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ಬದುಕ್ಯಾಳ ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಐತಿ. ಆಕಿ ಸತ್ತಾಳ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ನನ್ನ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳಕ್ ನನಗೆ ಆಗೋದೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ನಗ ಕುಂತ ಮಗಳ ಮುಂಜೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ನಿ ಆ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ. ಒಳ್ಳೆಕಿ ನಗ ಕುಂತ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನನಗಿದ್ರ ಮುಂದೆ ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
The murder has triggered a political showdown, with the BJP accusing the Siddaramaiah government of Muslim appeasement.
Everywhere murder. In Hubli case, it's a love jihad. The Congress corporator only told it is a love jihad. Siddaramaiah is telling it is a family matter. How family matter? I will demand the Siddaramaiah. He has to tell the people of Karnataka, we can't do anything about the law and order in Karnataka.
ಲವ್ ಜಿಹಾದ್ ನನಗೆ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಅವರಿಬ್ಬರು ಪರಸ್ಪರ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಆ ಹೆಣ್ಮಗಳು ದೂರ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು, ಆಗ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಅವನು ಹುಡುಗ ಹೋಗಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು.
The Siddaramaiah government has rejected charges of law and order failure in the state.
ಯಾವುದೇ ಮರಣಗಳಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಕಾನೂನು ಸುವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಬಹಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನೂನು ಸುವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನ ಕಾಪಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ. ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
The police claim the motive for the murder is still not known. The horrific murder has become a hot political issue ahead of the Lok Sabha elections in the state. Bureau Report, India Today.
My colleague Anika Keshav is now joining us from Hubli in Karnataka. Anika, the love jihad allegations now coming to the fore, the BJP pointing fingers at the Congress party and alleging that all this is taking place in the state because of appeasement politics.
Well, Aishwarya, at this point, a big political showdown has erupted over the Neha murder story. The BJP is alleging that this is a pure case of love jihad, where the boy allegedly wanted to convert the Hindu girl to his own religion, and that's why this entire fiasco unfolded. Whereas the Congress has stated that this was a pure case where the boy and the girl, they were on good terms. Even Aishwarya, there was a reel that was put out where we can visibly see that the boy and the girl were comfortable as friends, and now this very unfortunate incident has happened. The Congress has stated that it is a known fact that the boy and the girl were possibly in a relationship, and now that the girl started avoiding the boy, and that's why that the fact that the girl was was avoiding him, triggered him, and that's why he murdered her, is what the Congress government is saying. And for this, the girl's own father has, despite being a corporator from the Congress party, he has lashed out at CM and Home Minister, stating that don't bring our family, onto the roads. That's not true at all. Our daughter was not in a relationship with that boy, and this is a pure case of love jihad, is what the father is alleging. And now today at 10:30 in Hubli, there is going to be a huge protest, Aishwarya, hosted by Dingaleshwar Seer. That's going to happen. It's going to be a Padayatra by Dingaleshwar Swamiji, who's also going to contest independently for Lok Sabha from Hubli, Dharwad.
Thank you, Anaga, for giving us all those details. In just a couple of hours, there'll also be a protest taking place in Hubli with regards to the shocking incident that has come to fore.